Do you want to change profile picture on Instagram? You can change your Insta profile photo with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your profile picture on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you're on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button just below your bio and username. A new screen will appear. Tap on the Change Profile Picture below your current profile photo. A pop-up menu with different options will appear. Select Choose from Library to upload a photo from your device, or you can choose Take Photo to take a new photo and set it as your profile. Browse your phone gallery and select the photo you want to set as your profile picture. Once selected, crop or adjust the image if needed, then tap Done at the top right. Your Instagram profile picture is now updated, and it will be visible to others instantly.